Location, location, location. It's the oldest cliche in property. But here's the truth. If you follow that advice blindly, you might end up sabotaging your returns. Now, don't get me wrong. Location matters, but it's not about finding the prettiest street. It's about understanding the delta. As I write this, the performance gap in the UK is staggering. In the last 12 months alone, we've seen a 5.6% swing between the surging Northeast and the struggling London market. In some cities, that gap is even wider, separating the winners from those who are literally losing money. Let's talk about some key strategies you must deploy when buying, and 5 red flags you must check before you commit your funds to buying any property. Number 1 strategy, the 5-year sprint. My strategy is simple. Leverage the fact that property value rises with inflation over the long term. But the secret sauce is picking an area that gives you a 5-year sprint at the start. 2011 to 2016, London was a king. London bounced back from the 2008 crash quickly, while the rest of the UK was still hangover. From 2016 to now, the tide turned. Right when I started in property in late 2016, Manchester hit its stride, and it has continuously outpaced the UK average since 2016. It is recently hitting a 33% increase in the past 5 years alone, whilst London has been so slow and it hits its affordability ceiling. You don't need to predict the next 50 years. You just need to catch the right trend. To find the next Manchester, look out for what I'm going to talk about in my next strategy: relative value and the job market. Regeneration. Look for where the big money is moving. When the BBC and ITV moved to Salford, the population in that area boomed. Property supply could not keep up with the boom. People would naturally follow jobs. Prices will follow people. If an area is already expensive, where is the room to grow? This is why I love cities like Nottingham or Leicester or Derby. The entry price is lower, but the yields are significantly higher than the national average. Now, here are 5 red flags you have to watch out for before buying. Before you go buying the cheapest house you can find in the north, you need to be really careful. There is a massive difference between an undervalued property and a cheap property. So here is my checklist of red flags you need to avoid. Red flag number 1, the ghost town metric. If the high street shutters are down and there are no main brand or middle income brand like M&S or a high-end coffee shop, just walk away. If businesses are not investing in an area, capital growth would not happen. Red flag number 2, the employment monolith. Does the town rely on one factory or one hospital? What happens if that employer moves? Your property strategy collapses. You need diversity. Number 3, the yield trap. If you see a 10% yield in an area and the house prices have not really moved in a decade, that's a trap. You will spend extra cash on high tenant turnover and constant repairs. Red flag number 4, the crime map. Just check the crime map of that area. You can change a kitchen or renovate the property to change its look, but you cannot change the reputation of a neighborhood. If it's a hotspot for antisocial behavior, your exit strategy is dead. Red flag number 5, the new build over supply. If there are 500 identical new properties coming into an area at the same time, you have zero negotiating power. So you're trapped when you try to resell or even to rent. A final warning, the 1 hour trap. Please stop the 1 hour trap. You hear gurus say, don't buy anything over an hour of where you live. But here is the real truth. If you live in the south and you can only buy within an hour of your house, you are choosing convenience over profit. You are essentially paying a location tax, paying for the location without much benefit. In a later video, I will show you how to invest anywhere in the country so that your physical location becomes irrelevant. I'm also going to show you a real life example of a location where I got it wrong because I ignored red flag number 3, the yield trap. I will show you the exact numbers of how much that bargain actually cost me. Until next time, keep investing wise and smart. Catch you later.